Welcome to our YouTube channel where we explore, create and sustainable garden ideas. Today's video we are dividing into the world of Tyre garden planters, focusing on two unique and eco-friendly options. First one is plastic bottles and other is Tyre planters. So join us, we discover how to transform these everyday items into a beautiful planters for a garden. Plastic bottle planters might seem like an unlikely material for planters, but they can be repurposed into a stunning garden decoration. Gather plastic bottles of various sizes or drill potting soil and your choice of plants. Drill holes in the bottom of plastic bottles for drainage. You can also paint them and add pop of color to your garden. Fill the bottles with a potting soil and plant your favorite flowers or herbs. Be sure to water them regularly and place them in a sunny spot. Arrange the plastic bottle planters in a clusters or hang them on wall or for a unique garden display. So if you are new here, kindly like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon. Tyre planter ideas. Old tire may seem like waste, but they can upcycled into charming planters with a bit of creativity. Here are some ideas. Stack multiple tires on the top of each other. Create a tire planters. Fill each tire with soil and plant different varieties of flowers or trailing vines for a cascading effect. Give your tire a fresh coat and paint match your garden color scheme. Use sensitive freehand design and add artist flair. So this is called today's video. You can see different ideas and planters. So if you like these ideas, like the video, click the subscribe and press the bell icon. See this next part.